Today, I'm going to show you a few possible fixes if your copy and paste feature isn't working on your Windows 10 computer. If you're having issues with copying and pasting, watch this video till the end. Try all the methods, and hopefully, we can resolve your problem. Okay, the first thing you can do is clear your clipboard history. To do this, left-click on the Start button and select Settings. Here, choose System. And on the left side, find the Clipboard option. Click on it, and on the right side, you'll see Clear Clipboard Data. Click on Clear and check if this fixes your issue. If the issue persists, let's try another method. Right-click on the Start button and select Search. Type Command Prompt, and then click on Run as Administrator on the right side. This window will open. Enter the following command: cmd space /c quotation mark echo space off vertical pipe clip. When you're done, press Enter. This will clear all history from your clipboard and hopefully fix the problem. You can also try this method if the last one didn't help. Open Command Prompt as an administrator again, and now type sfc space /scan now. Hit Enter, and your system will be scanned to ensure everything is working correctly. Be patient and let it scan to the end, as this process can take some time to complete. The last thing you can do is press the Windows key and the V key on your keyboard. This window will open. Click on the three dots, and from the menu, select Clear All. With this, we've reached the end of this video. I hope you managed to fix your copy-paste problems. If you did, please hit that like button, and subscribe to my channel with the bell on so you can get notifications when I upload next video. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you all